In life, debt can feel heavy, like a shadow that follows you everywhere. It keeps you awake at night. It makes you worry about the future, and sometimes it even steals your peace of mind. But here's the truth. Debt is not the end of your story. It's just a chapter, and you have the power to change how it ends. Today, let's talk about something simple but powerful. How to divide your money so you can slowly but surely get out of debt. First, you need to understand one thing. Money is not just something you spend. Money is something you control. If you don't control your money will control you. And when you're in debt, every dollar matters. Every decision matters. So the first step is awareness. Sit down and look at your numbers. How much do you earn each month? How much do you spend? And how much do you owe? Don't avoid it. Don't be afraid of it. Because once you face your reality, you can start to fix it. Now, let's move to the most important part. Dividing your money. A simple method you can follow is called structured budgeting. Let's break your income into parts. 1. Essentials, 50%. About 50% of your income should go to your basic needs. This includes rent or housing, food, transportation, utilities, basic living expenses. These are things you cannot avoid. But here's the key. Keep it simple. If your lifestyle is too expensive, your debt will never go away. Sometimes you may need to downgrade, move to a cheaper place, or reduce unnecessary costs. It's not forever. It's just for now, so you can breathe later. 2. Debt repayment, 30%. This is where your focus should be. About 30% of your income should go directly to paying off debt. And here's the secret. Don't just pay the minimum. If you only pay the minimum, your debt will stay with you for years. Instead, choose a strategy. Snowball method. Pay off the smallest debt first, then move to the next. This builds momentum and keeps you motivated. Or avalanche method. Pay the debt with the highest interest first. This saves you more money in the long run. Choose one and stay consistent. Consistency is more important than perfection. 3. Savings, 10%. Even if you are in debt, you still need to save. It may sound strange, but it's true. Because life is unpredictable. If you don't have savings, any emergency will push you deeper into debt. Start small. Even 5% or 10% is enough. Build an emergency fund. Step by step. Think of it as your safety net. 4. Personal spending, 10%. Yes, you are allowed to enjoy your life. If you remove all joy, you will burn out. This 10% is for small treats, entertainment, personal happiness. But remember, this is controlled fun, not emotional spending, not impulsive buying. Spend with intention. Now, let's talk about discipline. Because no plan works. Without discipline, there will be days when you feel tired, days when you want to give up, days when you think, maybe I'll just spend a little more. But remember why you started. Freedom, peace, a life without constant stress. Debt is not just a financial problem. It's emotional. It affects your confidence, your relationships, your future. But every payment you make is a step forward, even if it feels small. Another important tip, increase your income. Cutting expenses is good, but increasing income is powerful. You can start a side hustle, sell something online, learn a new skill, take freelance work.